Okay, gang, I'm at the Dallas Safari Show. We're at the Holland and Holland booth, and they make $180,000 shotguns. You can see right down here, they are $179,900. And look at the work on these. Can we get in there? Like, I mean, look at the. Can you see that? Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Look at the work on that. Look at the hand work on that. It's absolutely gorgeous. Incredible. And there's, what do we got? 2, 4, 6, 8. $2 million worth of shotguns right here. Well, this one's only $92,700. Cication walnut is the wood that these are made out of. Look at that, man. I never knew that something like this existed. Here's the mark, Holland and Holland. Incredible. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful stuff. And here we are up in the case for Holland and Holland shooting essentials. We've got all sorts of gentlemanly things in here. This is a 375 Magnum Explorer pen. Look at that. Cool stuff in here. What do we got? Money clip, is that what that is there? Money clip? Also with the same kind of handiwork that we saw on the rifles, on the shotguns rather. And look at this. Look at that, man. Here's a writing instrument. How's that? Little flask.